Hello, sir. Chalo, sir. So again, very good morning to all of you guys, and I hope I'm both audible as well as visible to everyone. Just a quick confirmation whether I'm audible, visible. Bhakti, very good morning, sister. How are you? Acha, just a disclaimer, quick disclaimer before I start today. So there is some issue in the studio, so that's the reason I'm taking the class from here. Chetan, thank you so much for confirming. So very good morning to you guys. Good morning, very good morning. So again, there is some issue actually with the internet in the studio. So that's the reason I am taking my class from my home setup. Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much. Chalo, if any issue like occurs, please do let me know. I'll try to fix it. Okay. Chalo. Now also, I've changed the format because I got a comment, like I just checked it yesterday. So someone in the previous like class commented to make the PDF and like PPTs and such. But again, I didn't have enough time. Next week, I'll try to make sure like there is a PPT. Okay. Yes, especially for at least for DIs, because that way the solving, it is beneficial for me to also solve. But today, let's see, I'll try to do some like kind of jugaad. Okay. Chalo, sir. Let us start. Let us start, sir. Now, first question, and again, it will be in two parts. This is the second shift, 8 September 2024. It will be given, like I'll solve it in two parts today, and as well as the second part will be tomorrow. Perfect. So, here I'll solve one DI, once DI set, and all these sets as we come along. First question, sir. Quantity comparison, QE question, right? So, quantity comparison questions, let's solve, sir. Sir, they have told you. So, first things first, this is a newer type of quantity comparison, which we have also in my classes. I've done that, like we have done so many questions of this type. Now, the three quantities are this, and this. So, we have to calculate. Simple interest, 3 years, 7%. So, total is, sir, 21%. 7 threes are 21% of 45,000. So it is 45,000 into 21 by 100, right? Double zero concept. 41 into 20 is 900, and so that is plus for like this 45 is 945. 945 and a 0 here. So this is Q1, sir. This is your Q1, sir. Perfect, everyone. This is your Q1. Now Q2, sir. What about Q2? Compound interest, 3 years, 10%. Now, you can use AB theorem, you can use ratio method. So, ratio method, if you go by, so it is 10 ratio 11, the like this principal ratio amount, sir. Because 10% means 1 by 10. So, 10 rupees is your principal, 1 rupees is interest, amount is 11 rupees. So, number of years 3, so it is this. So, 10 cube ratio 11 cube is, sorry, let me just write it like this. So 10 cube is 1000, ratio 11 cube is 1331. So from there we can directly say the percentage is 33.1%. Also by using AB theorem twice also you can say the ratio, like the total interest will be 33.1%. Now on what? 30,000, sir. So 30,000 into 33.1% means by 100, sir. So get rid of this. This 0 decimal, 2 zeros. So 331 into 3 is 33 into 3 is 99, and this is 993 and a 0, sir. So this is, sir, Q2. This is, sir, Q2. Perfect. Perfect, everyone. Now what about Q3? Sir, a person deposited 7,000, 15% CI. End of 2 years. End of 2 years. Sir, understand one thing, sir. What will be the rate of like total interest, sir? So let's use AB theorem. 15 plus 15 plus 15 square is 225 by 100. So that is 32.25%. Done, sir. Now this is for what? This is percentage of 7,000. So let's calculate interest, because if I directly calculate amount 132, that's a little tricky calculation. So let's figure out now, sir, normal interest 7,000 into 32.25 by 100, sir. Now this gone, sir, double zero gone, 1 0 gone, 1 0 gone. So 3,000, 2,000, like 200 and this into 7. So how to calculate this better? 3,000 into 7, sir, 21,000. 200 into 7, sir. So 200 into 7, you can say that is 1,400, sir. 25 into 7, I'm doing it directly. You can do 20 into 7 and 5 into 7, but 25 into 7, we all know this to be 175. So 7, 5 here, this is 5, this is 22. 22,575 by this, meaning 2257.5. So meaning amount will become 7,000 plus this, meaning amount or Q3 will become how much, sir? 9257.5. Now you tell me, sir, what is like the answer? Sir, biggest one is Q2. That means, sir, first will be, sir, Q1. I'm just writing it here. Q1 is less than Q2, and sir, Q2 again is greater than Q3. So just go with ABC, whatever they have told you. They have told you whatever. Let's see, sir. Sir, less means, sir, B. Less means, sir, B, and greater means, sir, A. So your answer will be B then A. B then A. Sir, option E. Option E is your correct answer. Option E is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Option E. Perfect, everyone. Now this was a good question, a little like you can see, you see in RBI we all know you cannot expect very simple questions. You should not actually expect. You said you'll see the question and you'll say, chalo, this is the answer. Doesn't happen. Does not happen like that, right? Clear this, everyone? Clear, everyone, this? Chalo, let's move on. Let us move on, sir, to our next question. Again, quantity comparison, but again now that is the older type, not the newer type like this. The last one. Chalo. First things first. So you guys can see this, na? You guys can see this, or I can definitely scroll, like I can make this a little bigger if you want. You guys can see this, I hope. Chalo. Now, the ratio of volume of a cylinder to the volume of a sphere is this. Okay. Height of the cylinder is square of the cube. Square of the cube means to the power 6, sir, of the smallest even prime number. Sir, be it smallest, be it biggest, even prime number is only, like even prime number is only 2. 2 is the only even prime number. So height of this cylinder is 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 means 64. Centimeter vagera, so centimeter everything, so centimeter, sir. Achha. Radius of the cylinder and the radius of the sphere, I don't know, I actually need to. So I'm taking radius of the cylinder to be radius of cylinder RC, radius of sphere I'm taking RS. Okay, the curved surface area of the cylinder is given. That means now, just wait a second. Curved surface area given means you know height of the cylinder, we can figure out RC value. Let's do that first. Let us do that one first. Sir, curved surface area of any symmetrical 3D object is perimeter. Symmetrical means where the cross section remains the same. In my classes, I've explained this. Cross section same, then sir, it is just only you go with perimeter of the base into height, and for volume, area of the base into height. And if the if the structure is not not having the cross section area same, there is a the factor of 1/3 comes from integration. Right? Chalo, sir. If you go like that, sir, like this is 2 pi r, the perimeter of the base of a cylinder into 8, sir. R means here R of cylinder. That is given as 14080. 2 pi value is, sir, 44/7. RC I'll find. This is 64. Sir, 14080, just calculate, sir. Just calculate. I don't think we can do anything about this. चलो इसी से करते 11 4s are this 11 से करो ना 11 1s are this 40 11 3s are 7 78 means 7 not divisible. It is not divisible by 11. रुको रुको रुको. It is not divisible by 11. 1480. Just a second. Then sir 8 से ही करना होगा 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8 60. 7 8s are 56. 6 8s are this. Just a second. 4 2s are this. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 0. 44. Divisible to tha. What did I do? My mistake. I have made some mistake. I guess someplace. My mistake. It was divisible. 44 442 5. So RC is 5 7s are 35. My mistake. It was divisible. It was completely divisible. So RC I got 35. So this value is 35, sir. The other value I need. Now the other value I'll get from this ratio. Sir, how? Sir, you understand the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Now ratio means do not put the value of pi. Pi will cancel. Pi r square means sir 35 square into h. H is sir 64. Divided by sir 4/3 pi r cube. Pi into r cube. R is, I don't know sir, rs, that is cube. That value is given to you as 75 divided by 28. Right? Pi cancels. So let's calculate as much as possible, sir. 3 will go up and this, sir, 4 16s are this. So 35 square into 16 into 3 divided by rs cube. It is equal to 75 divided by 28. Okay, let's do one thing, sir. 35 square, na, sir, I can write it as 35 into 35. Why? I will cancel something. Sir, 5 from here, 5 from here. I'm cancelling. So this gives us 3. This 3 cancels. Right? Chalo, sir. Let's see if we can do anything else. Sir, from here I can write rs cube. It is equal to 28 times 7 into 7 into 16. So from there R is very simply said 7 7 here and 1 7 from here. So 1 7 I'll get for cube root and 4 4 4. So I'll get 1 4, sir. So other value is 28. So this is 28, sir. So ultimately Q1 Q2 comparison, what will that be? Let me say this. Sir, I got 2 values for Q1. So I need to find Q2 and figure out the rest. So let's figure out the Q2. So I'm just omitting this, okay? I'm just omitting this upper wala part so that we can solve it like better. Now, ratio of curved surface area of a cone and to curved surface area of a hemisphere is this. Sir, curved surface area of a cone, sir, pi RL divided by hemisphere of curved surface at 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Acha, this is cone, this is I can say hemisphere. Now, slant height mean L value is 35. L is given to you as 35, sir. Okay. Radius of the hemisphere is given as 14, sir. Perfect. So 14 square, I'm writing 14 into 14. 196, don't write. Sir, find the 4/3 of the radius of the cone, meaning I need RC. Only that is the variable. This is given as 15 by 8. So 2, 2, 2, 7 and 7 I'm writing. This is gone, sir. 5 3s are this, 5 7s are this. This 7 and this 7 is cancelled. So RC square is equal to 7 into 3. Achha, not RC square. Why I'm dying? Ek second. Pi RL tha na? Yes. So RC is this. So RC value is at 21. 21. That means, sir, tell me one thing. That means, tell me, both of these two values were, achha, 4/3 of the radius, sorry. So this is radius. So 4/3 of the radius will be 4 by 3 into 21. Achha, 28 kar diya. That means, sir, Q1 will either be, if the value of Q1 is 28, it is equal to Q2. But again, if this is 35, then it is greater than Q2. That means Q1 is either greater than Q2 or at some case it is equal to Q2 as well. That's your answer. Q1 greater equal to, again sir, option number E is the answer. Option number E is your correct answer. No Bhakti, option number E, because you see, you must consider na, if you have in any quantity comparison question, if you have more than one answer or more than like one answer for Q1, Q2, whatever for that particular quantity, always you must consider both. It's like quadratic equation. Quadratic equation mein whatever you do, that's the answer. Clear sir? Clear everyone? I hope this is absolutely clear. Chalo sir. So let's mark our answer as option E. As option E sir. Next one sir. Next one. Now everybody, let's try this. Let us try this. You guys can see now. You guys can see now. This one. Yes, I hope so. I hope so. DIs mean I'll kind of take a screenshot in the like in my board and then I'll solve. Okay. If you guys want, I can do the like that thing over here as well, but still it's better either you write. Now, inlet pipes P and Q together can fill in this much with the help of an outlet pipe. Remember, this can be filled in 18 minutes. Perfect. So now let's see, sir. First, sir, from these two information, it's very evident P plus Q and R. So R, efficiency of R I can figure out. Sir, R, if I want to go, so P plus Q, and they have given you P plus Q plus R. So time ratio, I know, time ratio, efficiency ratio, as I like to do it, sir, it is 1 by time ratio. So this is 1 by 18. Sir, that means just like do this. So ratio becomes, sir, 18 ratio 144. This is 180 this. So 12 nines are this, 12 15s are this. Sorry, 12 nines, अरे यार, sorry. देखा, पागल कैसा बन गया. 12 12s are this, 12 15s are this. 3 5s are this, this is 4. So ratio is 5 ratio 4. Meaning, please understand, sir. Meaning P plus Q I can take. They are filling 5 liters every minute. And P plus Q plus R, they are filling 4 liters every minute. That means, can I conclude that R is kind of leaving out how much? 1 liter of water. As this is an outlet pipe, that means R is kind of getting rid of 1 liter of water every minute. 1 liter of water every minute, sir. Now, the thing is that now you must say, that means, sir, how much time R alone takes? How much time R alone takes to completely like empty the tank? वो भी थोड़ा निकाल के रखते हैं. Why I am saying this? Because you see, in quantity 2 now I can see one pipe takes some minutes more than this. Whenever you see this particular type of line, it's always better to go for the conventional method. The best way always. Whenever you see one pipe is taking something more time than other pipe or less time than other pipe. So always in those situations, you must ensure, sir, we are going for what? We are trying to, or we are actually going for the conventional method, 1 by 1 by 1 by. That's the reason I'm figuring out the time for R as well. Otherwise, you see, for at least over here, I don't need it. But it's better. So for that, I need total volume, sir. Total volume, how can I find, sir? Sir, P plus Q plus R, they are combined, they are filling 4 liters every minute. And they are, in order to completely fill the tank, they are taking 18 minutes. So this is total volume, sir. Right? That is 72 liters. So how much time R will take, sir? 72 minutes, because R can empty only 1 liter every minute. So 72 minutes they will take. Now Q answer. R and S together. What is the time taken by R and S together? Okay. If P, Q and S can fill in 8 minutes. Sir, P plus Q plus S. They can fill the tank in 8 minutes, sir. They can fill the tank in 8 minutes. Okay. So that means from here now I'll get the efficiency of S. From here I'll get the efficiency of S, sir. Chalo, let's see this. Let us see this. Now, there are like multiple ways of doing this. There are multiple ways of doing this. But again, here let's like go normally, because as I just told you, we already know we will be needing the normal method for the quantity too. So here also let's do that. Here also let us use that only. Otherwise, I again need to make ratios. Sir, P, Q and S. Sir, P, Q and S. So they are filling the whole thing in 8 minutes. That means every minute they are filling 1/8 liters. 1/8 parts or liters, whatever you want to talk, whatever you want to like think about. Or rather, another way to think, another way you can also think, sir, total set the tank is of 72 liters. P, Q and S together, they are filling in 8 minutes. So their combined efficiency is 72/8. That is 9 liters. Now out of these 9 liters, P plus Q fills 5 liters. So how much S fills? Can I say S fills 4 liters per minute? S fills 4 liters per minute, sir. Correct? So S ka efficiency mil. Now, if R and S they work together, S will fill 4 liters a minute, R will empty 1 liter a minute. So their combined efficiency will be 3 liters per minute because R is outlet. So how much time they will take to fill this 72 liters? They will take 24 minutes. 72 by this. So Q1 is 24. This is Q1, sir. Now Q2. Q2 is remaining. Q2 is remaining, sir. Right? Let's see. Let's see. P and P, like pipe Q alone, takes 12 minutes more than pipe P. You see, in our whole question, we were always P and Q together, P and Q together, P and Q together. So ultimately now is the first time we now need the value of P, like P or Q, right? Sir, how can we do this? I told you it's better to go with conventional method. It is better to go with conventional method, right? Sir, I'm saying pipe Q takes more time, so pipe P takes X or T minutes to T minutes. First time preparing for this exam, early board, RBI, Quant, M&M, brother or sister, I don't know. Please tell me your name so that I can address you first. So the thing is that for RBI grade B now, you see the in Quant, the very like good attempt ranges between somewhere around that 50% mark. So meaning 30 may say if you can do 15 questions correctly, correct questions, that is considered a pretty good attempt. Okay, but again, please understand that this is very easy to say, not very easy to do, because sectionals like questions will not be easy first of all, and apart from that, you will understand, like once you get into the deep end of preparation, you will see balancing these many things together is the real challenge. Okay, and you need a like quite a good level of IQ to solve the reasoning and the like the quant section. It's very important. You need to develop speed. You need the like first you need understanding. You need to learn things from basics very well. You cannot rely upon shortcuts. That art of problem solving is very important here. You cannot just simply say, "Ki sir, I'll do this shortcut, do that shortcut." Because you remember, if you know a shortcut, if faculties know a shortcut, remember the paper setter also knows it. So if they want to block the shortcut, there are ways. You see, this is the one prime example. The second quantity is given to block your way. Okay, Manan, chalo, Manan. Okay, perfect. Acha, Manan, let's complete this last part of this question, sir. T minutes. So Q, I can say Q is taking, sir. No worries. T plus 12 minutes. So focus on basics now. Manan, if you are a beginner, focus on complete basics now. Dhire, take baby steps. Take one step at a time. Now, sir, how much they will fill in 1 minute, sir? 1 by T. 1 by T plus 12. That total is given as, sir. That total is given as 1 by 14 by 14.4. So you need to figure out the value of T from here. You need to figure out the value of T from here. So again, can anyone so this will be a quadratic. Can anyone tell me the like the value of t, what you have got? Anyone? I don't have any space to write. Anyone? How much you are getting? T squared plus 12t. This one will be that side, 2t plus 12, and this is 14.4. How much you guys are getting? How much you guys are getting? Actually, you see, it's very simple from one point of view. Sir, here you see P and R, here you see R and S. R is common. So ultimately, at the end of the day, it's the challenge is between S and P. Who is like who is more efficient? Who is more efficient? So the like just by looking at this, the values and everything, like this thing also, whatever T is, sir, R is much more efficient. R is much more efficient, like over here. So generally, what will happen if R is efficient? Time taken by R plus S will be lesser, because time taken. So efficiency and time there they varies inversely. So that's an idea, but again, I'm not 100% sure unless and until I get this value. Unless and until I get this value. Okay? Anyone, please solve now. I don't have any space here. And if I just scroll or I do anything, na ye pura cheez hat jayega. Or like this whole thing will you won't be able to have this like writings here. So again, anyone just solve this equation and tell me the answer. Approximate answer also works. I'm quite certain quantity 1 will be less than quantity 2. I'm quite certain just by looking at these values. You see what gave it away? The total P plus Q is 5, whereas S alone is 4. S alone is 4. That actually gave it away. That actually gave it away. Okay? That actually gave it away. But still, we must be certain. We must be certain. We cannot do any guessworks, right? So again, please solve this and tell me the answer. Just give me the value of t, sir. Just give me the value of t from here. That is what we need. That is exactly what we need. Value of t will be how much, sir? Anyone? समझ गए हम. मेरे को ही करना होगा. रुक जाओ. Let me share another thing then. Just a second. I guess now you guys can see. You guys can see my screen, right? You guys can see another board screen. 1 by t plus 1 by t plus 12. 1 by t plus 1 by t plus 12. It was equal to 1 by 14.4. So it is t into t plus 12. That is equal to 2t plus 12. If I write directly, it works, na? So it is 10 by 144. Okay. Sir, let's calculate this. This and this is 5. We cannot calculate anymore, sir. 5t square plus 5 into 12 is 60t. It is equal to 144t plus 144 into 6. Sir, 5t square minus, sir, 44, 60 gone means, sir, 84 only. 84t minus 144 into 6. 144 into 6, 600, 248, 40, 864. I hope I've not made any mistake. 600, 4 6 are 240, 6 4 are 24. 64, 864. Okay, sir. So from here we will get the value of t. We will be getting the value of t, sir. अभी ये थोड़ा calculation तो गड़बड़ है, sir. Still we have to do it. You see, there is no excuse here, right? So we have to do it. Sir, 864. Sir, 4 से ही करो, sir. 4 2 1 6. This is 6 cube actually. This is 6 cube. 6 6 6 4. 36 and, sir, 24. No, it will not work like that. It will not work like that. 6 4s are this. नहीं होगा, sir. Again, we have to break it down. 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 2. 27 2s are 54. नहीं जाएगा, sir. 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. 4s are 36. 36 plus 8 threes are 24. No, 54. Have I made any mistake here? Have I made any mistake? ये तो नहीं जा रहा है. T plus 12 plus T. This is not giving us any answers. This is not giving us, or am I not? Sridhar Acharya लगाना होगा. Anyone? You guys are getting anything here? 6 fours are 24 and 36 not working. Nothing is working now. 3, 3, 9. अच्छा, it's minus ना. अरे 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 अरे, तब तो we can do something. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 threes are 27, 2s are 54, 2s are 32. 32 नहीं जाएगा सर. 6 and 6, 36, 2s are 72. 27 and 4, 108 minus 8. No, it is not matching anything. It is not matching anything. Are we sure we have not done any mistake? Are we sure we have not done any mistake here? P and Q, this thing. T plus anyone, anything you guys are getting? Calculation में ये को अटक गया. Calculation should not be a problem here. (24) T into T plus 24, it is this. No, nothing we are getting. Nothing we are getting. No? So the only thing that is coming is using Sridhar Acharya. Is using Sridhar Acharya. Because otherwise I don't think it will give us any good values. Either there is something not right in this, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. No, I cannot find any mistake. I cannot find any mistake whatsoever. चलो तब यही करते हैं. माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट ओवर ऑफ बी स्क्वायर. बाप रे. Minus 4AC means 20 into 864 by 10. Let's do, sir. Let's do. क्या है वो? अच्छा सर. 84 plus minus. This is 10. अच्छा 84 square. You guys know the base method, the best one to like figures like squares of this. So it is 16 less than 100, sir. 16 square is 256. So 56 you write here, 2 is carry, sir. Okay. Now 84, see you subtract this 16. 84, 14, 78, 68. So 7056 is the value. 7056 plus 864 into 2, sir. 864 into 2. 864, 2. 8, 12, 16, 17, right? 17, 28, 12 cube. Yes, 1728, but again with a 0. 17,000 this, 7056. 8 5s are 3, that is 3, this is 24. Baapre. Let's see if this is divisible. 243 is in between the squares of 15 and 16. So 15, 155, 240, 25. So it is 156 RI. Sir, 84 minus तो हो नहीं सकता sir, t cannot be negative. So 84 plus 156 by 10 will be the answer. 84 plus 156 by 10. No, the value is good. The value actually we would have gotten. Sir, 18 and like 15 and this 23, 240, 24 minutes. Huh. 24 is the value of t. Baapre. The calculation was really something. 24 is the value of t. 24 is the value of t here, everyone. Now, t is 24 if that is the case. If that is the case, t is 24. Let's again go back. Let's again go back, sir. Okay, to this. Baapre. It was good. Acha, t is 24 minutes. Now that means, please understand, p takes like 24 minutes. Now tell me one thing. Acha, S takes how much minutes? Let's figure it out now, sir. S takes. Sir, S is filling S is filling 4 liters a minute. S is filling 4 liters a minute. So that means, sir, to fill the total 72 liters, it will take, sir, 72 by 4. 72 by 4, sir. That is how much, sir? That is 18 minutes, sir. Now that means I was absolutely correct. S is much more efficient. You see, whoever is taking less time, that means that person is more efficient. So 18 minutes means 8 like S is efficient more. So quantity 2 will be greater because time taken will be like in less in case of this. So quantity 2 is greater. Option A will be the answer in that case. But again, the calculation here was something to be behold. Calculation here was something to behold. I tried my everything, but again it didn't work. It did not work, unfortunately. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Take it, sir. Now, let's do this one, sir. Let us do this one. Next one. I'm hoping now it will not be that big. Again, you see, the problem is that ek aadha question, that's the beauty of RBI. 1 or 2 questions will be such big values. Will be. You cannot write like again, and it's very difficult to predict from outside. He said this is this big or this is going to be this big. ठीक है, चलो. A, B, C, D, E, F whose weights are in descending order. Descending is median का चक्कर, ये so median दिया है sir. What is the weight of E? अच्छा, this is DS question. DS means I do not need to solve. I just need to figure out whether we can answer the question. Weight of E. Weight of the person, median of this weight is this. So median means in case of 4 persons, even number of persons, the mean of the middle 2 values. So C plus D by 2 is this 63.5. So C plus D will be, sir, 127 kgs. This is given. This is common information given, sir. Now first statement, sir. Mean of the weight of 3 persons B, C, D in 65. So that means, sir, from here, what can I write? B plus C plus D, 65 3s are 195. Perfect. Now from the equating these two, I'll get B, sir. I will get B. Acha. Mean weight of B plus E is this. Sir, B plus E, then mean is 63, so this will be 126. Now I don't need to answer. Sir, you from these two equations, we will get B, and if I know B, from this equation I'll get E. So ultimately this is sufficient to answer statement 1. Let's go to statement 2, sir. Median of A, B, C is 68. Median means the middle value because there are only 3 values. So B is 68, sir, given. Mean of these B plus C plus D plus E, sir. It is equal to 63 into 63.25 into 4. I'm not calculating. Sir, understand, sir. Out of this, C plus D value we already know. B value we already know. Can I find D? Absolutely I can find. So each of these individually they are sufficient to answer. Each of these they are individually sufficient to answer this question. Sir, क्या है क्या है क्या है क्या है? Either है sir. Option C. Option C is your correct answer, sir. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Everybody clear? Make sense? Make sense everyone? A quick yes or no? A very quick yes or no, please. Very quick yes or no. If it is clear. Now, sir, moving same direction, train A crosses train B in 2 minutes. What is the length of train B? What is the length of train B? Very simple. Very simple. Now, these are a little easier questions. Now, A crosses train B, like train A crosses, meaning train A speed is more. Okay? Length of same direction, length of B they are asking. Speed of A and B given, sir. Achha, only speed of A and B, it is one part of our information. It is only one part of our information because please understand, only the ratio of speeds will not, like I need distance. Distance means the sum of their lengths. Sum of their lengths or some information. Time, distance, speed, something related to this. So only this is not enough. Train A and train B crosses a pole in these many seconds. Sir, let's try to figure something out, like combining these two, because this is also the second statement also alone is not sufficient. That's very obvious. So train A speed I'm taking 10x, train B speed is 9x. This is A, this is B, just to figure it out. Now train A's length will be then what, sir? The 10x meter per second, everything, okay, because everything is in meter per second. So train A is crossing the pole in 7.5 seconds. In 7.5 seconds means 10x into 7.5 is the distance, that is the length. So that means 75x meters. Length of A. Now what about length of B, sir? Sir, 5 seconds. So 9x into 5, so that is 45x meters. That is length of B. But the problem is, like when, like if you go by the normal, whatever is given, sir, total length, sir, 75x plus 45x. When train A wants to cross train B, by both are moving in relative speed. Relative speed is 10x minus x, that is 10x minus 9x. So yes, sir, we can figure out the time. That means that will be, sir, 75x. Acha, no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. So this is given as 20 minutes. 2 minutes. This is given as 2 minutes, sir. That is 120 seconds. So you see equation in even, right? X getting cancelled. X is getting cancelled. So meaning, we cannot solve this. We cannot solve this. Both the statements are also not. Both the statements are also not sufficient, because I'm not being able to make any equations. Clear everyone? Clear, sir, everyone? Acha. Chalo, sir. Statement again, sufficiency. Value of T. Amount doubles in 4 years and triples in T years under simple interest. Acha, chalo. Very simple. T to idhar se nikal jayega, sir. Why? Sir, amount doubles means principal is always 100%. Doubles means it will become 200%. It will become 200%, meaning interest of 100%. Amount becomes 200%, so interest is 100%. That happens in 4 years. That means every year rate of interest is 25%. 100% interest I am getting in 4 years, so every year 25%. Triples in T years. Triples means, sir, 100% will become 300%, meaning interest I need will be 200%. 300 minus 100. We are getting 25% per annum. So T value, the time will be, sir, 8 years. So I can figure out the value of T from statement 1. Let's see for statement 2. Simple interest received on an amount at this percent rate for 4 years is equal to this. Sir, from here, sir, you see, don't need to do anything. You will get same amount. You will get, so that means percentage will be same. 5T plus 3%. For 4 years, total interest this much, it is equal to 4T plus 12% into, sir, 3 years. Why they are equal? Because like the amount is same. Simple interest is same. So meaning from here I can figure out 5 fours are 20, this 12. Just only one thing you need to remember, T cancel तो नहीं हो रहा, like हो जाएगा. So 5 into, so this is 20, this is 12. That means it is not cancelling. That means individually using everything you can figure out the value. So either is the correct answer. Either 1 or 2 will give you the correct answer. Clear everyone? Clear everyone, sir? अच्छा, एक सेकेंड. अच्छा, एक काम करेंगे. Let's do one thing. Q1, Q2 questions, so we have so many. अच्छा, let me just start with this, the one DI at least. We have a few minutes. Let us just start with DI. At least एक DI कर देते हैं, sir. Just 1 second. Just 1 second, no replies. Chalo, ठीक है. So I was supposed to have a class at 11. So if I don't have a class, I can extend this session a little bit. That's the thing. Achha. Following pie chart shows the percentage distribution of number of persons visited temples on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So like kind of 5 days of a week. Now, ratio between the number of male to female visited in the Monday is this. Okay. Number of male is this, less than the total number of persons visited on Thursday. Achha. Number of female visited on Thursday is number of this. Achha. That means first things first. Reading this question, data picking, I told you, the first and the most important step in any kind of DI question is data picking. कौन सा data चाहिए sir? I need Thursday wala value and I need what? I need Monday wala value. Now you will say, sir, Thursday na it is given as X. How to figure out? Do not worry, sir. Total pie chart is always 100%. You will figure out X. So 24 and 16, 40%, 12%, 52% gone. That means, sir, 1.4x plus X, that is 2.4x, should be equal to 52% gone. That means 48% remain. So that means X is what, sir? If you don't want this, this is 2. And this is this, so 20. X ka value is 20%. So ultimately this is 20%, write it. And this is 28%. Now you see everything is very clear. Everything now becomes very clear. Not a difficult job. Not a difficult job. I'm just cancelling this, okay? Because I'll need the space. DI here. Now, number of male to female on Monday is 7:6. That means Monday means it. Monday is this one. Na? Monday is this. So it is, so 7 and 6 means 13. 13 is the total, remember. So why I'm saying this. So that means Monday, male, female. Let's do one thing. So this is 7 by 13 parts of 16x. And female will be 6 by 13 parts of 16x. Right? Now, number of males visited on Monday is 126 less than the total number of persons visited on Thursday. So, total number of persons who visited on Thursday is 28%, meaning 28x. Why? That means what I am taking x, total is 100x I have taken. Total number of persons. Nothing is given, nothing is given. So this is 126 less than the total number of persons. That means, sir, this minus 126, it is equal to whatever number of males there that has gone. So this is how much, sir? So this is 112x by 13. Okay, 16/7, sir. So from there, 280 into, sir, 72, right? Take second. No, not 72. 280. So 330s are 90. 90 says 6 comes, sir. 84. 3 8s are 20. Yes, okay, sir. 4. This is a 36. So this is 364x minus 112x. It is equal to 126. So from there, now let's calculate. So this is 64, 20, like this is 52, 252. x. You see, it is 126. You see, twice 14. So the value of x is 14. That means total number of persons who have visited this temple is 1400, and we know all the values. We know all the values now, right? Now, number of females visited on Thursday. If the female visited temple is number of female visitors temple is 6 more than the number of males on like Thursday, sir. 20. So total number of like visitors on Thursday, sir, 28%. So 28x every percent is 14. So total is, sir, 28 into 14, sir. That is how much, sir? 280 plus 28 times 4. That is 30 times 4 is 120 minus, sir, 8. So that is 280. This is 400. 400 minus 8 means, sir, 392. Now they are saying if males and females were equal, then, sir, half hoga, sir. Half means 196 here, 196 there. But no, sir, 6 ka difference, sir. 6 ka difference hai na. So always remember, take plus half of 6 here minus half of 6 here. That's the best way, sir. So ek mein, sir, 193, ek mein, sir, 199. Right? Total number of calculation error. Arre. So 199 आ रहा है ना? Have we made any error? इतना अच्छा value आ गया? We got so good values. कितना बड़ा मैं क्या कर रहा था ये 13 था, suddenly I did 28. अरे सॉरी देखा, गड़बड़ हो गया था sorry. So it will be the x value will be, say, 13 by 2. No, my mistake, big mistake. So this part I have to calculate once again. My mistake. So x is 13 by 2. क्या किया था मैंने पता नहीं. अरे. तब, sir, this will be, sir, 13 by 2. That means it will be, sir, 650 total. मेरा like my mistake. So 28x का value, Thursday वाला value will be 28 into 13 by 2, sir. So this is 14. So 169 plus, sir, how much? 13. 169 plus 13 is 170, 182. So half means, sir, 91. Sir, एक में 3 जोड़ो, एक में 3 minus करो, because 6 more. So 94 here and 88 there. So more means females are more. So number of males visited will be less. 88 will be the answer. Option E, sir. Option E, sir. Option E. थोड़ा अगर like final calculation. But again, please understand the calculations that we have done na just now about the whole thing. Because you see, we now know the total is 650. So I can figure out the values of everything. These calculations will be required. For the next questions. For the upcoming questions, these calculations will be required. So I'll strongly suggest, sir, there are I guess a few more questions. I'm just like erasing this. So answer, and the number of females visited, sir, that was 91 plus 3, 94. Yes. So number of females was 90, like 91 plus 3, 91 minus 90 females, 94 hoga, sir. Now again, just the thing is that, so we have understood the whole thing. Now please solve the remaining 4 questions. At least try. If you have any doubts, tomorrow I'll again come. We'll discuss. Okay, we'll again discuss. This is a good set. This is a very good set. Not very difficult, but it's a good one. It was a good one. Okay. So that will then be all for the day. I hope you guys have understood the things. again I made some silly error, I don't know why. ठीक है, so again I'll see you guys then tomorrow at again 10 a.m. hopefully from the studio. Okay, so the internet people is about to come tomorrow. Yesterday only since yesterday I'm having this issue because there was a big thunderstorm in Kolkata and everything. So chalo, so again thank you so much. I hope you guys have understood. If you have, please hit that like, and definitely if you have any feedback, please feel free to share it in the comments. Okay, and I got one feedback last week to make the things in PPT. I'm trying my best to do that. बट क्या है ना, ये इतना बड़ा लाइक रिया इसको पीपीटी में पुट करने इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. ठीक है, तो लेट्स सी व्हाट व्हाट कैन वी डू टू मेक यू गाइस अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. लेट्स सी, कुछ ना कुछ तरीका निकालते. ओके, सो अगेन थैंक यू सो मच, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, आई विल सी यू गाइस लाइक टुमारो. टेक केयर.